In this video we are going to discuss about netting, the net of outflow and inflow. Netting simply means the consolidation of two or more transactions or payment or positions into one single one. For example, I have dollar outflow, inflow, outflow. So that consolidation into one, that now I have either outflow or inflow. That is what all about netting. So before moving further, let's take an example. There are transactions that are being taken place between two countries, India and US. The transactions are both sides. That is, one time there is export and other time there is import. So one time there is dollar inflow of 50 and the other time there is dollar outflow of 100. So netting means consolidation, the net position. So you can say in this example we have dollar outflow of 50. So how netting helps? Why we need to consolidate? There are a number of reasons. The first one, it reduces the administration cost. It reduces the cross-border transactions between the head office or its subsidiaries, and overall reducing the foreign exchange transactions or foreign exchange transfers, you can say. So it reduces the administration cost. The other advantage is it reduces the transaction cost. Like if there is only one transaction and if there are 10 transactions, so the cost comparatively reduces. The third is accurate net report, that each party owns how much, or if each party have to pay, then how much exact amount. It also improves the cash flow forecasting because it is generally at the end of the period. So let's take an example. Can netting also result in profit? Let's look at the example. Now we are discussing the same example, that is $50 was the outflow. Now the exchange rate that is given to us is rupee per dollar is equal to 40 by 42. I know the rate is of dollar, that is if I want to buy dollar the rate is 42 and if I want to sell dollar the rate is 40. So normal way outflow, that is buying dollar, so to buy dollar the rate is 42, the outflow will be rupees 4200. The net position will be rupees 2200. But what if I have followed the netting process? If netting was done, outflow minus inflow, $50 outflow, so the resulting will be rupees 2100. Now you can see that without doing anything, even enjoying other benefits, I have gained a profit of rupees 100. So these were the advantages of netting. Thank you.